I know it's that time of the year again. Your mortgage is up for renewal, and you have to decide if you want to stay with Prime B or move to Prime A. And there are three fears that I see most people struggling with these days with this question. The first being, do I have to do I have to wait for the mortgage renewal, or do I have to think about doing it right away because BOC might drop their rates, or they might not in the first quarter? What should I do? The second fear is, um, what about the market? What about the real estate market? Is it stable? Is it gonna be continue being as volatile as it is now, or are we seeing any signs of being it stabilized? And that's going to affect the value of my property and hence my mortgage renewal. The third question that I see a lot of people are uncertain about is their own financial stability, because let's face it, guys, we are in recession and the economy is not looking good, and most people have single income families and they are worried about what if they lose their job. That will affect their mortgage application for renewal. I have helped a lot of people overcome these issues and get their mortgage renewal. Please call me at 647-806-5444.